Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet book cover design ideas. A crochet book cover design refers to the process of using crochet techniques to create a cover for a book. These covers serve both functional and decorative purposes, providing protection for the book while also showcasing the skill and creativity of the maker. Crochet book cover designs can vary widely in style, from simple, single-color covers to intricate designs featuring complex stitch patterns, motifs, and embellishments. Designing a crochet book cover typically involves selecting appropriate yarn, choose a design that complements the book's content or theme, determining the size and shape of the cover to fit the book snugly, and incorporating personal touches or customization. Crochet book covers can be made for various types of books, including hardcover, paperback, journals, notebooks, and planners. Overall, crochet book cover design is a creative and customizable way to add a handmade touch to your favorite books or to create unique gifts for friends and loved ones. Designing a crochet book cover can be a fun and creative project. Here are some tips to consider. Select yarn. Choose a yarn that complements the theme or content of the book. Consider the texture, color, and weight of the yarn. Design elements. Incorporate crochet motifs or stitches that reflect the content of the book. For example, it is a book about flowers, include floral motifs. Size and shape. Ensure the cover fits the dimensions of the book properly. Consider adding flaps or pockets for functionality, such as holding bookmarks or notes. Texture and dimension. Experiment with different crochet techniques to add texture and depth to the cover. You can use techniques like surface crochet or adding appliques for extra dimension. Personalization. Add personal touches such as author names, title, or relevant quotes using crochet lettering or applique. Durability. Choose a sturdy yarn and consider lining the cover with fabric to provide durability and protection for the book. Experimentation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different crochet stitches, colors, and embellishments to create a unique and eye-catching design. Test fit. Before finalizing the design, make sure to test the cover on the book to ensure it fits properly and functions as intended. Finishing touches. Pay attention to finishing details such as weaving in ends neatly and blocking the cover to give it a polished look. Photographing. If you plan to showcase your design online or in print, take high-quality photographs that capture the details and craftsmanship for your crochet work. Here are some additional information on each tip. Selecting yarn. Consider the overall aesthetic of the book and choose yarn accordingly. For example, if it is a children's book, you might opt for bright, playful colors and soft, washable yarn. For more sophisticated book, you might choose a finer yarn in muted tones. Design elements. Think about the theme or message of the book and Incorporate corresponding design elements. For instance, if it is a cookbook, you might include crocheted food items or kitchen utensils on the cover. Size and shape. Measure the dimensions of the book carefully to ensure a proper fit. You can find a standard book cover sizes online or measure your book directly. Consider adding extra length to the cover for a flap to tuck in the book securely. Texture and dimension. Experiment with different crochet stitches to create texture on the cover. You can use simple stitches like single crochet or more complex stitches like popcorn or double stitches to add interest. Adding layers or appliques can also create dimension. Personalization. Use crochet techniques like tapestry crochet or surface crochet to add text or images to the cover. You can spell out the book's title or the author's name, or create a design that reflects the book's content. Durability. Choose a yarn that is durable and easy to care for, especially if the book will be used frequently. Consider lining the cover with fabric to protect the book from wear and tear. Experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things and let your creativity shine. Crochet offers endless possibilities for design, so have fun experimenting with different stitches, colors, and embellishments. Test fit. Once you have crocheted the cover, test it on the book to make sure it fits properly and stays in place. You may need to adjust the size or shape slightly to achieve the perfect fit. Finishing touches. Take the time to finish your project neatly. Weave in ends securely and block the cover if necessary to smooth out any uneven stitches or ends. Photographing. When photographing your finished cover, use good lighting and a clean, neutral background to showcase the details of your work. You may also want to include close-up shot to highlight specific design elements. A crochet book cover design refers to the process of using crochet techniques to create a cover for a book. These covers serve both functional and decorative purposes, providing protection for the book while also showcasing the skill and creativity of the maker. Crochet book cover designs can vary widely in style, from simple, single-color covers to intricate designs featuring complex stitch patterns, motifs, and embellishments. Designing a crochet book cover typically involves selecting appropriate yarn, choosing a design that complements the book's content or theme, determining the size and shape of the cover to fit the book snugly, and incorporating personal touches or customization. Crochet book covers can be made for various types of books, including hardcover, paperback, journals, notebooks, and planners. Crochet book cover design is a creative and customizable way to add handmade touch to your favorite books or to create unique gifts for friends and loved ones. Consider not only the appearance but also the feel of the yarn. For example, a book cover meant for a cozy mystery might benefit from a soft, fuzzy yarn, while a cover for a business book might require a slicker, more professional looking yarn. Additionally, think about how the yarn will hold up over time. and with use. Design elements. Look for inspiration in the book's content, cover art, or themes. You can use crochet stitches to mimic patterns or motifs found within the book, such as webs for a book about the ocean or geometric shapes for a book about mathematics. To ensure the cover lasts, consider factors like yarn quality and construction techniques. Using a double yarn, reinforcing stitch points to extra stitching, and adding a fabric lining can all contribute to the cover's longevity. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and try unconventional approaches. Mix different yarn weight and experiment with color gardens that create unique effect. You might discover a new technique or combination that becomes your signature style. Before finalizing the design, test the cover on the book to ensure it fits snugly and functions as intended. Make any necessary adjustments to the size or shape to ensure a perfect fit. Pay attention to the small details that can elevate the final product, such as adding decorative etching, attaching buttons or closures, or incorporating special embellishments like beads or charms. When photographing your finished cover, use natural light whenever possible to capture the true colors and textures. Experiment with different angles and compositions to highlight the unique features of your design. By considering these additional details, you can create a crochet book cover that not only protects the book but also showcases your creativity and craftsmanship. Crochet book cover design is a creative and customizable way to add a handmade touch to your favorite books or to create a unique gift for friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video.